Stop paying for AI. Stop stressing about credits. Stop dealing with annoying watermarks. And stop signing up for endless free trials that are really just tracks to make you pay later. For years, creating AI images and videos has always come with a catch. You either shell out for a monthly subscription, or you settle for slow, limited tools that stamp their logo all over your work. The message has always been the same. If you want quality, freedom, and unlimited use, it's going to cost you. But what if I told you there's a platform that breaks all those rules? A tool I've been testing that gives you unlimited AI images and unlimited AI videos completely free, with no sign up, no account, and no registration. Today, I'm showing you everything. This is the complete walkthrough of Ver AI. If you're ready to unlock a full set of professional-grade AI tools without spending a cent, stick with me. And if you want more breakdowns of game-changing tools like this, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's start at the foundation. Before we get into the unlimited video feature, which I know is what many of you are here for, it begins with text-to-image generation. Ver blew me away with how simple and powerful this is. No complicated menus, no confusing settings, just a clean prompt box. Let's test it right now with something specific. A hyper-detailed cinematic photo of a wise old owl wearing a golden crown, sitting on ancient books inside a mystical library, moonlight glowing through a window. We set it to 16:9 widescreen, hit generate, and there it is. Look at the details, the feathers, the glow, the atmosphere, and the best part? I didn't spend a single credit, there's no watermark, and the download is high resolution, ready for commercial use right away. Now, let's be realistic for a second. You're not going to get pixel for pixel results identical to the most expensive paid models. But for what this is, an unlimited free tool, the quality is phenomenal and more than good enough for 99% of projects. That's a trade-off I'm more than happy to make. Before we dive into the video features, let me quickly recommend NordVPN, the service I personally use to stay safe and get access to tools worldwide. With Nord, you can instantly switch to servers in over 60 countries, test AI tools not yet available in your region, and unlock shows and apps blocked where you live. It's fast, easy, and keeps your data secure. Check the link in the description or the pinned comment for over 70% off. More privacy, more freedom, and a huge discount. Don't miss it. Now back to Ver. What I just showed you was only scratching the surface. Ver isn't just a text-to-image generator, it's a full creative suite. First, it has image-to-image. Upload anything, a sketch, a selfie, a product photo, and reimagine it however you want. You can turn a simple doodle into a photorealistic masterpiece, or transform a photo of your pet into a Studio Ghibli-style animation. The AI keeps the structure of your original and completely restyles it. Then there's the Kontext Editor, one of the most powerful features. Think of it as a complete restyler. You upload any image, then type exactly how you want it reimagined. For example, upload a daytime photo of a city street. In the prompt, ask for a futuristic cyberpunk city at night with neon signs, flying cars, and rain-slicked roads. The AI transforms the entire vibe while keeping the structure of the original. For creators and business owners, there's another game changer, the one-click background remover. Upload an image and instantly get a clean cutout of the transparent background. No more struggling in Photoshop. And yes, it's unlimited, free, and commercial ready. Okay, now let's get to the big one, unlimited AI video. Here's how it works. Ver's video tool turns images into motion. It's image to video. Take any picture, one you just made in Ver, or something you upload, and bring it to life with animation. Let's try it with a brand new image. A cinematic matte painting of a lone wanderer standing on a cliff overlooking a vast alien desert with two suns setting and giant crystal towers across the horizon. Upload that, choose a length of 5 or 10 seconds, and give the AI motion instructions. Something like slow pan across the desert, clouds drifting in the sky, subtle heat haze rising from the sand. Hit generate, and suddenly that static artwork is alive. It's perfect for social media, presentations, logos, or even just turning your favorite AI art into something dynamic. And again, no watermark, no credits, unlimited use, even for commercial projects. So let's recap. Ver gives you an unlimited text-to-image generator, image-to-image transformation, the context editor to restyle anything, a one-click background remover, and an image-to-video animator to breathe life into your work. All of this, all in one place, free from your browser and with zero sign-up. This isn't just a tool, it's a complete creative suite that competes with paid platforms and puts the power of professional AI creation into your hands. And just so it's clear, this video isn't sponsored. I have no connection with Ver. I'm just a creator who's blown away by what it offers and wanted to share it. The direct link is in the description below. Tools like this are changing the creative world, removing financial barriers and giving us unlimited power to build. I hope this guide inspires you to create something amazing. If it did, let me know in the comments what you'll make first. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth guides on the best AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.